this guy. You ruined the intro.
This is attempt number 25. Sad.
Keep going. A little bit more. A little bit more. Hold. Holy shit!
What, the JB weld up here?
Look at all this fucking oil, bro.
Holy hell, what? Oh, fucking boot blue. My CV axle boot.
That sucks. What's that hose hanging down right there?
This? I don't know. Something important, probably. Probably brake line. Is it?
I don't know.
What is this?
So is that your rack boot, or what is that?
Yeah, it's actually my rack and pinion. Oh, that sucks. That blows.
But there's a lot coming from up there, too. I think you got a rear main seal problem. Pump. I don't know, dude. I'm not a fucking mechanic. Why don't you just take that exhaust? Oh my God, look at that fucking... Hold on. Move out of the way.
Yeah, that's what Firestone did to it.
Holy shit. Touch it. What is it?
It's on there.
What is it? Is it like caulk?
Basically.
Firestone's so cool. So the guy that never has the right size on anything has got this nut stuck inside my socket. And I don't have any metric bolts. I just have standards. And this kind of goes in. So we're just going to do our best to get it out of there. Derek, are you using the right size over there?
Yeah, I think so. It's a 916. What the fuck? You got to put out on your face.
Wear your safety PPE.
Not for this to me.
Yes, I have. We share it on Facebook.
I don't pay attention to your Facebook.
See, that's where you're messing up as a friend, dude.
I only give you likes and shares, and I just play your videos while I'm at work. And
Why don't you buy our merch then?
Well, I want to buy a banner
Instead
for
of-
this. I want to
instead
buy
of
a banner for this thing.
We don't have banners.
Zach made one. Make one for me.
No, we're not doing special order banners just because you want one.
Well, then you're fucking up.
You're fucking up. Buy a t-shirt and quit asking for handouts. You buy a t-shirt, you'll get a free koozie.
If I... Okay. By the way, link is below. Buy a t-shirt, get a free koozie.
This is not a commercial.
Oh.
Keep working.
I'm sorry.
Wear a mask. What did you do? You got crap in your mouth.
Grease. Larry, I jawed myself.
Okay, well, that's what happens when you work on things. You get hit. So, keep pushing along, little buddy. If that squirts on me, I'm gonna be so mad.
I'm gonna be so mad if it gets all over me too, trust me. Oh, whatever. Oh, motherfucker.
You gotta hold your hand on the head, dude. You're gonna fucking break that shit off.
That's good if I do.
No, but like you won't break off in a way that you could drain it. We'll have to drill a hole and it'd be really annoying.
Motherfucker.
You got it? Try.
Can I just put an impact on this bitch?
Yeah, why not?
Alright, where's your adapter?
Hold on. Alright, give her 1,400 foot-pounds.
No, I'm not doing all of it. Oh yeah.
Is it twisted?
Yeah, it's already up.
Oh, yeah?
I just don't want to get this soaking wet with oil.
Alright, well, use your hands, dummy.
Why is there no oil coming out? Oh, there it is.
Well, that's a good sign. It's oil, and it's coming out.
Yep. Scrapes and pans.
Well, quit making art about it and put that shitty-ass drain plug back in so you can take the fan off. Hey, get your fucking magnetic tray.
What do I do now?
You could get that mallet and hit it.
Where's Larry?
No, you don't want to do that. You'll fuck up your mating surface. Just get that hammer. See? It's loose. You just gotta wiggle, wiggle. You can do it, dude. I believe in you. I already washed my hands, dude. I'm not getting back under there. Hey, could you please not cuss on my channel? It's kid friendly.
Sorry. Kids.
Are you wearing safety glasses?
Nope.
Nope. Are you wearing a mask?
Nope. Yeah, actually I am.
You wearing gloves?
Nope.
You don't need to wear gloves for this. Make sure you don't put it on backwards.
I didn't. I put it on the right way.
Alright, slip that up in there. Hold on, let me try the other arm. It's wet under here, Derek.
I got it.
See, I knew you could do it.
I love you, brother. I got you.
Thanks for making my video. So I just went and got some parts. Derek's been here working on this piece of shit. Are you singing?
I've been working. Intake's in. There's the hole I had to cut down there. Big old hole.
Oh, like, oh God. This is like a...
It's a real cold air intake.
It's one of these joints right here. Ooh. So we did an oil pan and gasket, and now he's doing a power steering rack. He did his fancy little intake, all deep in there. And this is gonna be a respectable vehicle. Don't you think?
Maybe.
Did not get finished with this. However, the kid just fights himself on this stuff, really. We did get the rack put in. It's bolted loosely in there. We were just trying to adjust for toe and stuff on both sides. And all that we have left is to center the steering wheel and correct all that. And then there is a cross member that we have to put on after we tighten up the steering rack. We put that on, tighten it down, and then we just gotta put the exhaust on, and that's gonna be a pretty simple process altogether. So I think honestly probably like 2 more hours of our dumbasses working on this. It'll be down on all fours doing its thing. Hopefully. All right, we finally got this thing put back together. Steering rack fought us pretty hard. We're originally just gonna do an oil pan on this because Firestone had JB welded the drain plug in. So I definitely forgot to film an outro for this. So for the outro, we got everything fixed. It works. And he's still finding more problems. Unrelated, I think. So like, subscribe, check out our merch. Derek's not going to, but that won't stop you. If you buy a shirt, we'll throw in a free koozie. You buy a shirt and a sticker, we'll still throw in a free koozie. You buy a sticker, we might throw in a free koozie. We're really hurting for money right now. Please help us. Please.